Now we're going to complete the following algebraic proof. If I look, this is my given equation. I need to figure out what to do on both sides in order to solve this. If I look, it actually told me what's happening on both sides. It looks like I am multiplying by 4. So this would be my multiplication property of equality. And when I do that, I end up with 2x plus 10 equals 32. I simplified this multiply to get this equation. Then I see that I am subtracting 10 on both sides. That is my subtraction property of equality. When I simplify that, I get 2x equals 22. Then my last step, in order to get my x by itself, I need to divide both sides by 2, so when I simplify, I get my answer of x equals 11. So this would be my division property of equality.